Hey there, it's Sue Jakes from Nature-Based Therapies Australia again. Just wanting to share with you one of the things I'm really looking forward to about the 2-day Beyond Boundaries workshop coming up on the 14th and 15th of March. Working as a nature-based therapist, this is where I work. This actually is my office. And, you know, I have some wonderful co-facilitators here, the horses and the chooks and my little dog Herbie. But if I wasn't intentional, I probably wouldn't see a lot of other therapists. So one of the things that we need to be really vigilant about is looking after ourselves. And part of that is having others around us, other like-minded therapists. So coming together for the 2 days in March, the 14th and 15th, one of the things I am really looking forward to is connecting with other like-minded therapists, people that are doing nature-based therapies, and also people that are interested in doing nature-based therapies as well. So yeah, community is a really important thing, particularly in this kind of work where in and of itself can be really isolating. And then when we choose to work in nature, often we're working pretty solo. So yeah, looking forward to hanging out, being part of the crew and building that community. Hope to see you there.